Are you tired of handling data management issues? Has a load of work and is having a hard time in making entries at Excel? Well, ADE is your solution. If you want to know more about ADE, please keep on watching this video. An ADE is a friendly automated data entry made by Excel Crack. An Excel COM add-in that you could see in the additional tab of your Excel. A simple UI yet powerful, smart, and flexible to help users to record, edit, and manage data according to their preferences. Aside from main or head data entries, you can also create a detailed data entry. You can likewise resize and reposition the labels, text boxes, groupbox, and even add a title to your data entry form. You can also have this for free. Very convenient, right? So what are you waiting for? Download now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.